Hi, and we're going to take a look at, we're starting on animation, so we're going to take a look at our first rig that we're going to use. So I've put it on the files on your channel, so we just need to go File, Open. This one doesn't have a whole project set up, so it's called Ultimate Walker. I think I have yours called Ultimate Walker Start. So I'm just going to open this, and this is what it looks like. So it's basically a ball with legs. So this is what we're going to start using to get a feel for animation and see how it all works within Maya. So yeah, so we can, each of these, so this is our actual rig, and each of these NURBS curves or any shapes on the side are the actual controls. So for instance, if I select the circle around his belly and use a transform move, that moves him up and down. I Control Z to undo that. If I select a control behind his foot there, that lifts up his leg. And the same with the other one. You see there some are color coded, so red usually refers to right foot and blue is the other. So he doesn't have too many controls. I don't know if anyone's looked at rigs. They're a lot more elaborate than this, or can be a lot more elaborate than this. A rig is basically just a model that has been rigged up with a skeletal type interior that we can use to move it. So he has, so for instance, if I bring down his hips and these little controls in front, these are the knee swivel. So I can swivel the knee left and right. So one on each knee. You'll see the names of the objects are coming up over here too. I'm just going to undo that again. He has a little antenna on top. The way that works is if I select all of the little circles around it, and then I can rotate, and they will actually rotate right left, or front back and right left. I can see up here again my NURBS circles, so I can actually highlight the axis that I want to rotate, and I'm middle mouse dragging to change the value on that. Anyway, that's kind of the antenna, and this is actually squash and stretch. I wouldn't advise adding squash and stretch until the very end, until you get your walk working right, and then you can add a little bit of squash and stretch, but don't go too heavy-handed on it. If we go to lighting, if I click on or off the two-sided lighting, see the way now I can see one foot turns black and the other shoe turns black. So that's kind of to help, you know, when you're in a profile, the right leg, left leg, so you can see which leg you're working with. So that can be useful.